Alright guys, I figured today I'd do a video on my ZVS driven Tesla coil. Yeah, I've had this one for a little while now. I actually didn't build this one. I bought this one from another builder. I saw it was for sale and just thought it was really cool, so I went ahead and got it. Yeah, so this Tesla coil uses what's called a ZVS driver, or that stands for a zero voltage switch. And basically it's a very, very efficient oscillator. Then you have a flyback transformer. Normally you find these inside of old CRT glass screen TVs. And so you have your primary side, center tapped, and the constant pushing and pulling of the driver board induces the voltage here and gives you high voltage output out of the secondary side. And driving the ZVS board, I have a AC to DC 24 volt 500 watt converter right there. It goes into our driver board right there. So as you can see, the driver board goes into the primary side of our flyback. Then we have our capacitor bank right here. And then to our spark gap right here. Yeah, I built this little stand for this, just make it a little easier to work with. I built that stand for this solid state one too. And added a little cooling fan for the spark gap right there. This motor is off of an old pump that I just pulled the pump off and put a fan blade on it to cool our spark gap down. So we got a spherical top load. There's our secondary, then a little better look at the primary side down inside there. Yeah, it's made out of just like a plastic spool. Works as a pretty good base for it. Yeah, this thing's pretty dang loud too when we turn it on, but yeah, let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, let's let her rip, tater chip. Yeah, and this coil works with other top loads, so I'm gonna give this one a try, see what y'all think of the output it makes. All right, let's see what happens. Thing started to fall off when I was running it. Just noticed that. Turned it off just in time before it fell off all the way. now let's try it with this smaller spherical top load. See what happens. Yeah, the sparks may have looked a little longer with that smaller top loader. Maybe not, I don't know, I'll let y'all be the judge of that. And yeah, that's an overview of the ZVS Tesla coil. Pretty cool. I can do a video on the solid state one too if y'all want. And the vacuum tube coil, I started building that. I've actually got the secondary for a wound right here. I'm just waiting for my diode to come in the mail. And I still gotta make a filament transformer out of one of these, but it's coming along. Slowly but surely. Yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.